Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see one more problem on integral of the form integral f of x upon under root ax plus b dx. Let us start with problem number 4. Considering the given sum as I, we have x square minus x plus 1 upon under root x plus 1 dx. Now in this part also we are going to substitute that part as t which is present in the square root. Substituting x plus 1 as t. Therefore, the value of x will be t minus 1. Differentiating with respect to t, derivative of x will be dx by dt. Derivative of t will be 1 and derivative of 1 will be 0. Therefore, dx will be 1 dt. Now, we will substitute the values of x and dx in the given integral I. I will be integral value of x is t minus 1. Since it is square, here we will have whole square minus, again followed by x, we have t minus 1 plus 1 upon under root x plus 1 is directly equal to t and the value of dx is equal to dt. Here we will expand t minus 1 the whole square using the formula a minus b the whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here we have t square minus 2t plus 1. Giving minus sign to both the terms, we have here minus t and minus of minus will give you plus 1 followed by again plus 1 upon square root of t dt. Now in the numerator we will solve the terms which are from the same family, that is minus 2t minus t will give you minus 3t and 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give you 3. I is equal to t square minus 3t plus 3 upon under root t dt. Now square root of t can be written as t raised to half. In the next step, we will separate this t raised to half to all the three terms present in the numerator. In the next step, here we can use the property a raised to m upon a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. Here also we have 1 minus 1 by 2 plus here we have 3 into t raised to minus 1 by 2 dt. In the next step, we can separate the integration. 2 minus 1 by 2 will give you 3 by 2 dt minus 1 minus half will give you half plus here we have t raised to minus half dt. Now here we can take this constant outside, that will give you t raised to 3 by 2 dt minus 3 integral t raised to half dt plus 3 integral t raised to minus half dt. Now we can integrate this each function by using the formula integral x raised to n dx, that is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. That will give you I is equal to t raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 3 into t raised to half plus 1 upon half plus 1 plus 3 into t raised to minus half plus 1 upon minus half plus 1 plus c. 3 by 2 plus 1 will give you 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2 minus 3, here we have t raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus 3 minus half plus 1 will give you 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 plus c. Here the reciprocals of 5 by 2, 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 will be multiplied. That is 2 upon 5 e raised to 5 by 2 minus 2 into 3 will give you 6, or you can simply cancel 3, that will give you 2 into e raised to 3 by 2 plus 3 into 2 will give you 6 e raised to 1 by 2 plus c. Now we can resubstitute the value of t as x plus 1, that will give you 2 by 5 x plus 1 raised to 5 by 2 minus 2 into x plus 1 raised to 3 by 2 plus 6 into x plus 1 raised to half plus c. This is our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda.